As I was saying, the problem is we've probably just got our party so powerful now that nothing that fights us can stand against us. This will be interesting to take our party up against the Dragon's Lord, or against the Dragon Lord. Should be very interesting. Okay, discard Saber of Moonrays, yes. And exit. Yeah, nobody got turned to stone. Minotaur, die. No, do not take it. No, do not take it. Quit asking me. Because I've got to do our inventory check first. Discard Helm of Enchantment. Discard Arcane Ringmail. These headphones are hurting my ears. Yes, take it. So yay, we've got a King's Ultimate Power Orb, yay. But it's still not what we need. What we need to find is the hologram sequencing card. So let's head out west. Maybe it's down here. Cast Jump. Granted, I'm not going to turn down 1,000,000 experience points, but what would be nice is if we could... Hello. The Statue of Watermane, fabled ruler of the Great Sea. Plate reads, drink deep from the waters of courage to become an ultimate adventurer. Will you party drink? Yes. So are we now ultimate adventurers, all of us. You know what I want to do? I want to head back to the Tomb of Terror real quick after we're done with this. For one very good reason. Oh shoot. Shouldn't have jumped forward like that. We can just teleport, can't we? Teleport? One, there we go. Then we sidestep like that, and we are good to go. Off down this little corridor. We found a power orb, we found where to become the ultimate adventurers at. Now we just need to... die, Medusa. Apparently Medusa only hurts you if she actually hurts you, so there you go. Oh, come on. Discard Kinetic Handex. What do you mean our backpacks are full? Our backpacks aren't full. It was loot is what it was. Okay, get rid of the leprechaun robes. Yes, I don't need them. Get rid of the obsidian... Oh, wait, don't get rid of the obsidian belt. Oh, jeez. Well, trade it off to... Just trade it off. Trade off to Darkshade. There you go. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Get rid of the obsidian ringmail. Yes. Get rid of the cryo broadsword. Discard this platinum belt. Yes, discard it. And equip the obsidian belt instead. Okay, now. Let's head out this way. Is this it? Keep your fingers crossed. No, it's not. It turned him to stone. So I guess graphics do change via turn to stone, so there you go. Oh, please somebody tell me that it's around here somewhere. Die, Minotaur. Die. Die. Okay, let's discard some of that reward we got. Remove discard platinum boots, equip obsidian boots. There we go. Discard. And go to Selene. Okay. Pick this up, yes. Grab it, yay. We got a power orb. but still no crystalline box with what we need. You get lots of treasure, but nothing that we need. Wait, was that it? Was that it? Is this it? Could it be? No. No, it cannot be. Let me pause it real quick. I gotta look for where this is on the map. This is starting to become a long grind. Okay, I think I know where we need to go now. It's off to our east, which means we need to kill these off and dump the garbage they give us. No, go over here. Inventory. No. Go over here. Discard, yes, the broadsword. I'm so tempted to give that off, but I shouldn't. Oh, I'm so tempted, though. But I'm short on inventory as it is. We can't do it. Whoa. Not where I meant to go, but... Where are we? We're close to where we need to go, I think. And we've gone down this way. Minotaur. Not what I wanted to do. Get rid of this kinetic cape. I don't care if she has a cape and she needs one. I just want to get out of here. Die, Medusa. Spellcast, jump. Whew. This game grinds. This game is starting to grind so much. You know what? I think this is where we need to go, so I'm just going to teleport through this wall. Cast, new. Teleport, cast, east 2 paces. A lot of Medusas. A power orb. Discard, discard, discard. I'll grab this power orb. Do not open that box, it's a lie. Let me save state real quick again. Ah, there we go. We are very close. So close, in fact, that you're already looking at where it is. It's just over the where that little alcove is. And here we go. Open it, yes. Hologram sequencing card number 6. Let's get out of here. Town portal. Yes. Cast. Okay, let's return to Wildebar. Because the last place we need to head to is the Cathedral of Carnage. Actually, we should head to Baywatch. Why Baywatch? Well, you know all those power orbs that we have that I kept keeping hold of? Well, even after you hand in a power orb once, and you destroy everybody, you destroy all the opposing factions, and you destroy their castles, return with even more power orbs, and your gifts are most graciously appreciated, but the time for amassing power is past. The danger has been defeated. 1 million experience each. Seek the culmination of your destiny below the periods. Still, doesn't matter if the time for gathering power is past, we still need to survive the journey, despite what he says. So, let's cast Town Portal. Spell failed. That's right, doesn't work in here. Cast Town Portal, return to Blistering Heights. And we'll head out of here and we'll train. Because that was a lot of experience we just gained. Sleepy, sleepy. Yes, train. Level up, level up, level up, level up, level up, level up. This takes us all the way to level 72.